Photography isn't just about capturing moments, it's about telling a story, framing emotions, and creating art. Today, we dive into the latest marvel in the world of photography, the Nikon Z4. The Nikon Z4 is more than just a camera. It's a gateway to endless creative possibilities. Featuring a 24.5 megapixel full-frame sensor, this camera ensures that every shot is filled with detail, depth, and vibrancy, making your photos come alive. With its advanced Speed 7 image processor, the Nikon Z4 delivers incredibly fast performance, allowing you to capture up to 12 frames per second. Whether you're shooting in low light or capturing fast-moving subjects, the Z4 ensures sharpness and precision with every click. But power is nothing without control. The Nikon Z4's user-friendly interface, combined with customizable buttons and a fully articulating touchscreen, offers unparalleled ease of use. Whether you're a seasoned professional or just starting out, the Z4 adapts to your style and needs. Built to withstand the elements, the Nikon Z4 is weather-sealed to protect against dust and moisture, so you can take it wherever your adventures lead you. Capture the world without worrying about your gear. The Nikon Z4 also features a new hybrid autofocus system with 273 phase detection points, providing rapid and accurate focus in all conditions. From low-light environments to high-speed action, your subject is always in focus. And it's not just about photography. With 4K UHD video recording capabilities and in-body image stabilization, the Nikon Z4 is perfect for videographers looking to create professional quality content with ease. What I love about the Z4 is how versatile it is. It's perfect for both my photo and video projects. The image stabilization is fantastic, and the low-light performance is a game changer. With a wide range of compatible lenses, the Nikon Z4 is not just a camera, but a complete system that grows with you. From ultra-wide to super telephoto lenses, you have the freedom to explore new perspectives and styles. The Nikon Z4 is here to redefine your photography journey. It's not just about capturing moments, it's about creating memories that last a lifetime. So, are you ready to elevate your creativity to the next level? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth reviews and photography tips. Until next time, keep shooting and keep creating.